Spider didn't answer. Falling asleep. A very busy day. Very busy spider. By Eric Carr. Thank you.
Three, four, at saka 5, 6 ba yan? Lahat yan, lahat ng...
The storyteller is Gabby Franco. The spider is Raphael. The horse is Lexi. Clap your hands for today's course. The cow is Sophie. The sheep is Isha. Mia is the goat. Nicole is the pig. Ginny is the duck. Kate is the dog. Cuckoo, the rooster is you. The owl is Aaron and the fly is Annie. The three scores clap.
Tumawag sa akin. Dito nakatingin ko yung pinapababa kami sa gitna eh.
Mission scores.
Sabi ko sa anak ko, buksan mo yung bintana. Gumawa ka ng commotion. Ngayon kung hindi, bulahin mo. Sigaan mo ka.
Let's call on Daddy Dindo to tell us a story entitled
Center. Sa gilid nun, meron ng pulis yun.
The Doorbell
Ginawa
Rang.
nila.
Let's clap our hands for Daddy Dindo. She is the daddy of